The 2027 Ford Transit Platinum Coach Camper represents a new evolution in premium travel. Designed for travelers who want the perfect blend of luxury, power, and intelligent functionality, this camper transforms the iconic Transit into a high-end mobile living space. Every detail is crafted to elevate comfort, convenience, and long-distance touring, making it one of Ford's most impressive camper conversions to date. Exterior design and build quality. On the outside, the Platinum Coach stands out with its sleek aerodynamic profile, sculpted bodywork, and enhanced stability features. The high roof configuration, LED light strips, premium grille, and chrome touches add sophistication while improving visibility and road presence. Large tinted windows maintain privacy while allowing natural light to flood the interior. Built on Ford's latest Transit chassis, the camper benefits from improved suspension, reinforced frame strength, and better overall durability for long journeys. Interior luxury and living experience. Stepping inside reveals a cabin that feels more like a boutique hotel suite than a camper van. The interior features handcrafted leather seating, soft touch panels, ambient lighting, and premium wooden finish. A convertible lounge area doubles as a dining space and sleeping zone, offering flexibility for day and night use. The kitchenette includes a compact refrigerator, induction cooktop, microwave, and smart storage cabinets. The built-in bathroom features a modern shower, porcelain toilet, and ventilation system, ensuring comfort even on extended travel. Every inch of the interior is optimized for relaxation, organization, and luxury living. Technology, connectivity, and smart features. Ford integrates cutting-edge technology into the Platinum Coach Camper. The digital control hub manages lighting, climate, entertainment, battery levels, and water systems through a single interface. A high-resolution infotainment screen provides navigation, wireless smartphone connectivity, and real-time vehicle diagnostics. USB-C ports, wireless charging pads, and a built-in Wi-Fi hotspot ensure seamless connectivity on the go. Safety technology includes adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane assist, and an advanced 360-degree camera system designed specifically for maneuvering larger campers. Performance, efficiency, and road comfort. Under the hood, the 2027 Transit Platinum Coach Camper is powered by Ford's latest hybrid and EcoBoost engine options. This combination delivers excellent fuel efficiency, strong torque, and quiet highway cruising. Enhanced sound insulation keeps the cabin peaceful, even at higher speeds, while the upgraded suspension ensures a smooth ride across rough terrain. Its towing capacity and large fuel tank make it suitable for cross-country travel, off-grid adventures, and extended camping stays. With improved battery systems and optional solar panel,